ISE, a city with a manufacturing tradition and history represented by the ISE Shrine. Located here is the ISE plant of SINFONIA Technology, which produces a wide variety of highly reliable products as a main plant, along with the Toyohashi plant. State-of-the-art manufacturing is underway, from equipment mounted on space rockets to color printers used in everyday life. The site here is the ISE plant. The Aircraft Equipment Products Works is responsible for manufacturing SINFONIA's aerospace unit. Here, it manufactures the thrust vector control electrical actuator system, which is mounted on Japan-made H-2 rockets and Epsilon rockets. SINFONIA continues to contribute to the development of the space industry. SINFONIA's aerospace history goes back to 1919, shortly after its founding, when it developed Japan's first turbine-type generator for aircraft. In 1937, a propeller aircraft equipped with our engine-connected DC generator flew from Tokyo to London, establishing the world record of long-haul flights. Since then, the plant has developed a variety of products, including helicopter rescue hoists. As Japan's only manufacturer of electrical components for aircraft, SINFONIA is highly regarded for its excellent products, with the aerospace unit as one of the main pillars of our business. Digital Printer Products Works is for the manufacture of printer products. SINFONIA's sublimation photo printers play an active role in a wide range of printing media, including amusement facilities, printing machines, and card printing. SINFONIA Printing Technology, which has its origin with the development of cash registers over half a century ago and has evolved through the development of various ticket vending machines, has led to the current printers. Our printing products are manufactured here, such as the world's first double-sided printing system with the highest resolution quality. Transportation and Power Control System Works also manufacture a variety of control electronics, including those related to railways and industrial vehicles. SINFONIA manufactures electric components for railways, such as brake controllers for smooth acceleration and deceleration, and speed generators for rolling stock for comfortable railway operation. In addition, SINFONIA supports railway safety by producing electronic control units for industrial vehicles, which are becoming more intelligent. Clutches and Brakes Products Works manufacture electromagnetic clutch brakes, which are critical in securing safe and accurate operation of machines. They cover a wide range of industrial application, from industrial robots, NC machine tools, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, to automobiles. SINFONIA's electromagnetic clutches and brakes, created through superior development capabilities and advanced technologies, continue to support industries in a variety of fields. Industrial Transportation System Works, the largest works of SINFONIA's ISE plant. Our airport support vehicles, such as passenger steps that support passenger comfort, belt loaders, and high lift loaders, play an active role at airports under the top brand of SINFONIA, which comes with a high market share. In addition, our large-scale industrial vehicles, including the carrier pallet transporter for ultra-heavy loads, battery-powered forklifts, and side-loading forklifts, work tirelessly in ports and harbors and contribute to the industry growth. The Multi-Technical Center manufactures load ports that support the manufacture of semiconductors, which are indispensable for everyday life and business. As the world's leading brand of load ports, we continue to support the evolving semiconductor manufacturing industry. Our research and development laboratory is equipped with a high level of security and high-performance state-of-the-art equipment. The lab's mission is to develop products such as autonomous mobile robots and to develop technologies that are one step ahead of others. The corporate building is the central building of the ISE plant. This building places top priority on people and the environment and all business divisions here at the ISE plant center. Toba has long supported the shipbuilding industry. This is the birthplace of SINFONIA. The Toba factory in Toba City manufactures servo actuators, a main component of motion control, along with electromagnetic clutches. Servo actuators control the precise movements of machines and are used at the production sites for semiconductors and liquid crystal displays for smartphones and tablets. Along with a wide variety of direct drive motors, SINFONIA manufactures HD motors, HD linear motors, driving wheel units for AGV, textile motors, and also automotive electrical components such as in-wheel motors for compact mobility. At the Toba factory, a variety of products are created that drive tomorrow's industry through SINFONIA's technological tradition and state-of-the-art facilities. From the ISE plant to the world. The ISE plant, a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant which contributes to the development of our society by delivering cutting-edge products which enrich our world from human to space. SINFONIA Technology creates a sustainable future through technology that resonates with people's hearts and tomorrow's planet.